Hello, everyone. My name is Victoria Luminari, and I'd like to invite you to a new program that I am offering. And what we will do in that program is release overwhelm and install resilience. I have a lot of different modalities that I have studied over the last 25 to 30 years, and I'll be pulling from all those different sources to help you to feel better during these challenging times. And one of the things I want to talk about is how we all handle stress so differently. And depending on, in Chinese medicine, our particular element. So in Chinese medicine, there are 5 elements: water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. And people can have different elements that are predominant in their personality, so that when they are stressed, they respond in such a way. For instance, woods, when they are stressed, typically get angry. Fires fly into a panic. Earths can become codependent. They forget about taking care of themselves. Metals tend to withdraw from the situation. And then waters tend to fly into fear. So what we will do in these 4 weeks that we will have together is we will use different modalities. Tapping is one of the modalities, called emotional freedom technique. That is where we will tap on acupressure points around the face and on the body just a little bit. This actually has been researched and changes the chemistry in the brain. It also changes the body. I have worked with people who have come to me with pain that their doctors cannot help them. And after one session, their pain has abated. So I hope you will join us and come into a place of resilience where you operate more from a response rather than a reaction. When we are stressed, we react. When we're thinking with our forebrain, we respond. And when we're stressed, we're reacting from the reptilian brain at the base of the skull. All the blood rushes from the front of the brain right to the back, so that you can't make a good decision and you just react, like that person who's a wood, for instance, who gets angry, or the person who's like me, who's a fire, who just panics, or the person who falls into codependency, taking care of everybody else. So I hope you will join us. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me. My email address is Victoria with an EA at the end at takebackyourpowernow.com. My website is takebackyourpowernow.com, and you can find the program right under the programs tab on my website. I hope you'll join us. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.